let's just admit that respect plays a big role in our lives. And since we are human beings, our relationships have a big impact on how happy we are, and respect is a crucial part of any human connection. If you want to be successful in life, you have to gain the respect of others. But how do you earn people's genuine respect? And more importantly, how can you make sure that people will respect you regardless of who you are or where you come from? When you respect yourself, you are acting exactly how you would like other people to act toward you, and that ultimately raises your own sense of self-worth. According to human psychology, there are some things you can do to make sure that others will always treat you with the respect you deserve. Pay close attention until the end of this video to discover how to instantly make anyone respect you. Don't apologize too much. Don't get me wrong, if you made a mistake, you should definitely admit it and apologize appropriately. A sincere apology demonstrates that you are genuinely sorry for what you did. It is a confession of your mistake and an effort to make things right, and there is nothing wrong with that. You should apologize when you make a mistake, but there is a big difference between apologizing once or constantly. Being too sorry can only make you seem weak and vulnerable, so it's better to say it only once and then let it go. Also, people are able to tell when an apology isn't genuine, so it's crucial to only apologize if you truly mean it. With an honest apology, you can definitely earn people's respect. However, if you keep apologizing, it will not only make you seem weak, but it will come across as insincere. Listen to people. If you want to get the respect you deserve, make sure to actually listen to what others have to say, instead of just pretending that you care. I don't know if you noticed, but smart and high-value people don't run their mouth all the time about irrelevant things. They only speak when they have to, and their words have a strong meaning behind it. This is why people who are able to listen to others instead of saying what they have to say can definitely earn the respect of others. This means giving them your full attention and being respectful enough to not interrupt them when they are speaking. You can always make your point in a thoughtful manner if the other person is done talking. Be open-minded. Being open-minded basically means that you are able to consider and embrace new ideas and opinions, even if it's completely different from your own. It also involves being able to have an unbiased perspective and understanding both sides of every problem, instead of sticking to your own beliefs. This is a difficult one for many people. In fact, most people fail in gaining others' respect because of this. But it's so crucial if you actually want to be respected. People will start to respect you for trying to see all sides of any problem, for being open to new solutions and approaches. You just have to learn how to always stay open-minded rather than rigid and stuck in your ways. Speak up. Have you ever found yourself holding yourself back from saying what you thought just because you were afraid of other people's reactions? I'm sure it happened before that you had something to say or heavily disagreed with someone, but you simply didn't have the courage to speak up, or you stopped yourself from saying anything because you didn't want to confront others. We've all been in that situation, but remember, if you don't speak up when you have something to say or when you disagree with someone, they will assume that you are accepting whatever they are saying or doing. This takes away from your character and personality, and this automatically decreases the respect towards you. People will think that you always agree with them, Or even worse, they will think that you don't even have an opinion. Therefore, it is crucial to express your opinion, whether it's positive or negative, if you want to earn people's respect. Be respectful. This is a no-brainer. I mean, if you want to earn respect, you should give respect first. You should give respect to everyone regardless of who they are, how they look, or where they come from. This is the absolute minimum you have to do to gain respect. Your actions and body language should demonstrate interest when you are actively listening. You should avoid demonstrating signs that you don't care about what others have to say. That will only make them lose respect for you. By doing this, you just straight up insult people and give off the impression that you don't care about them, and that is not the way to earn respect. You should treat everyone with respect, even if you don't agree with their opinions or ideas, and it will make a huge difference. Stand behind your beliefs. Standing behind your values and beliefs is so essential if you want to earn respect. You cannot just say one thing and then do another. It will make people question your authenticity, and that way you will never earn their respect. Every time you speak up or keep your word, you are essentially demonstrating your genuineness and sincerity. Whatever you have to say, you are proving sense of morality, and this way you instantly earn their respect. You should always make an effort to stay true to your words and beliefs. Otherwise, people will think that you don't have a backbone, and trust me, that way you will never be respected. This is basics and it shouldn't even be mentioned. However, it unfortunately applies to so many people, so please don't be one of them. Take responsibility. Even though most of the time our circumstances are what we make them to be, we still have to face unanticipated problems and obstacles in our lives. When something goes wrong or you make a mistake, take full responsibility for the situation. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. There is not a single person who doesn't make mistakes. Your mistake is not going to define you as a person. In fact, admitting your mistake and taking full ownership for your actions is something that is definitely respectable and mature, even in a tough situation. You have to admit your mistake, then move on and be better next time. Don't forget, making mistakes will only make you stronger and wiser, and people who never make mistakes are liars. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.